There were teeth in the sink. I thought maybe it was a prank until I heard someone humming behind the bathroom mirror.
What if I told you the terrifying secret to generating endless, spine-chilling horror stories for YouTube entirely on autopilot with one overlooked free AI tool? This isn't just about making videos. It's about tapping into YouTube's most binge-worthy, evergreen niche, horror stories, and making serious money effortlessly. I call it the ultimate YouTube automation secret. And trust me, you can do this even while you're sleeping because there's a single tool that handles everything. And by the way, in this video, we're covering the full blueprint. From creating viral horror content from scratch to using AI to generate creepy visuals and voiceovers, building stunning thumbnails, and even monetizing your Faceless channel from day one. This is a complete start-to-finish system. No fluff, no shortcuts missed. Seriously, channels like Mr. Nightmare have built empires, racking up millions of views every single month. That video he posted just 4 days ago already has 500,000 views. And it's not just the big names. I found dozens of smaller horror channels. This one, that one, and another, all pulling hundreds of thousands of views per day. Some of them passed 200,000 subscribers in under a year just by uploading compelling horror stories. This niche is an absolute goldmine, and I'm about to show you how to unlock it using true YouTube automation, made stupid simple. Other creators will show you how to replicate this niche using a Frankenstein of tools. ChatGPT for script, 11 Labs for voiceover, Leonardo AI for imagery, and CapCut or Premiere Pro for editing. Sure, it worked, but it's messy, slow, and draining. I found a single free tool that makes this terrifyingly easy. It does everything. CapCut. Wait, I know what you're thinking. CapCut for horror storytelling? Seriously? Yes. Seriously, this is the video no one else is making. If you're looking for an untapped goldmine for your faceless YouTube empire, stick around. This is your blueprint to passive income. And no, this is not a sponsor video. I'm just blown away by this workflow, and it's going to blow your mind too. If you're ready to automate your content and scale your earnings like never before, hit that like button and subscribe to Money Mastery Hub so you never miss another AI income strategy. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is the horror stories niche? It's a colossal genre where creators narrate creepy encounters, true crime tales, creepypastas, and haunted experiences. It's perfect if you've ever wanted to tell stories. The best part? The massive audience retention. Viewers often watch these stories from beginning to end, translating directly into higher ad revenue. And the content itself is evergreen. You will agree with me that a good creepy story never gets old. Now let's talk about the game-changing tool that makes this all possible. CapCut's AI video maker. And the best part? It's 100% free to use. You can access it through their web platform or desktop app. Link in the pinned comment. Before we dive in, all the exact prompts used in this video are waiting for you inside a Google Doc in my Discord server. Just look for the Horror Stories Guide. Links in the description. If that sounds valuable, don't forget to hit like. It costs you nothing, but it keeps me fired up to deliver more strategies like this. And here's a short horror clip I created using only CapCut's AI tools. Let's watch. I didn't hear the knock. I just woke up to the smell of food, and the tray was already inside my room. I went out for dinner, watched a late movie, and didn't get back until around 2:45 a.m. As I walked through the quiet lobby, I could swear the man at the front desk avoided looking at me. When I got to my new room, the hallway felt colder than it had before. The first crucial step to creating a viral horror video is writing compelling, genuinely creepy stories. Now, while CapCut's AI video maker can generate basic scripts for the best quality, suspense, and the optimal video length, we'll use ChatGPT as our dedicated script master. For inspiration, you can always check out some of the popular horror stories online. Pay close attention right here. This is very important. If you check the channels we're replicating, they often create 3-in-1 videos, meaning they tell 3 distinct stories within a single video. Each of their videos always has a central theme, like hotel horrors, Craigslist encounters, home alone scares, and so on. Also, their videos are typically between 15 to 30 minutes, and CapCut AI can generate 4 to 6 minute segments for us. Perfect for combining. With 3 5-minute stories, you're right in that sweet spot. In the Google Doc, let's quickly walk through it. I feel the need for you to understand the prompts so you can get the best results. I've listed sample theme locations you can base your horror stories on, such as abandoned schools, hotels, creepy roadside motels, field trip, or haunted lighthouses. I have a document of 20 incredible theme locations you can explore for your horror stories. If you need it, comment, send me the location below, and I'll send you the document. The first prompt will help you craft powerful story ideas according to a chosen theme, while the next will help you craft the full horror story. Now go to the horror story video idea section in the doc. Copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT or Claude or DeepSeek. Specify your chosen theme, like hotel stories, and how many story ideas you want. I usually type 10 and generate. If you need more ideas, just for generate until one gives you chills. Once you find a great idea, move to the next prompt, the scripting prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT, then add your preferred story idea to the prompt. The prompt is already optimized for a 4 to 6 minute video format. So hit enter, and you have your first chilling script. Repeat this for 2 more stories, so you have all 3. You're now ready for production. Time to bring your scripts to life. Head to CapCut and open AI Video Maker. Click Instant AI Video. Paste your first script into the box. Now, for the important part. Choose a video style. For horror, you want to experiment with styles like horror or spooky. They're incredibly effective. Select 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube. For voiceover, pick a deep, calm, or unsettling voice. If you don't see the perfect one right away, just pick one for now, because trust me, in the next phase, you can change it to a better one. Then, with a single click, hit create. CapCut's AI will then process your text, generating appropriate atmospheric visuals based on the script, creating a suitable voiceover, and even laying down initial edits and captions. It's scary good and 90% automated. The initial result will be surprisingly good. It will even add subtle keyframe movement to the visuals. Amazing. If you're not satisfied with the images created, don't worry. You can regenerate all the images or even a single image. Just click on Scene, click on Media, then Generate AI Media, and choose a new video style. Then hit Generate. Also, for the voicing, click on Scene, then Voice, and you will see different voice options you can pick from. Just pick and change the voice. This might take a minute or 2 honestly, but it's worth the wait. Next, click on Effect and choose a befitting caption style. Now, music. You'll want to add horror music to the video. So click on Music, search for horror music, pick one. You might need to reduce the volume so it doesn't overshadow the narration. Looks good. Once you're done, export it immediately. Pro tip, if export doesn't work, click Edit More to open it as a CapCut project, then export from there. Okay, if you're here and got a good result just like I did on this first one, let me know how your own video turned out in the comments below. Next, simply repeat the exact same video creation process for the second and third stories. Moving on, open a new CapCut project. Drag in your 3 horror story videos. Use your most terrifying video first for maximum hook. Not sure which is strongest? Ask ChatGPT, which of the 3 video scripts is most intriguing and why? Arrange the order. Now for refining that ultimate horror aesthetic, go to Effect and look for atmospheric effects like vapor, smoke, glitch, or distortion. Apply these to add an unsettling vibe. You can also play with adjustment layers to deepen shadows, reduce saturation, or add a moody color grade to enhance the dread. The video looks ready. We almost forgot. Text pause cards before each story. Just use Halloween-themed text templates in CapCut and paste your story title. I didn't hear the knock. I just woke up to the smell of food, and the tray was already inside my room. When you are done and satisfied with your creation, export the full 15 to 20-minute video in 1080p, 2K, or 4K resolution for best results. The final, absolutely crucial step is to create a thumbnail that screams, "Click me." Here's the lazy but effective method. First, you need a concept for your thumbnail that captures the absolute essence of your story's creepiness. For example, an unsettling image of your theme location. Then, use ChatGPT with a specific prompt from my Google Doc. Yes, I've got you covered for this too. To generate an AI image prompt for your thumbnail idea, which also include the text you're going to add to it. Copy and paste the thumbnail prompt into Chat. Enter them location and one of the title of your story. Then you get an image prompt. Easy. Now generate the image using any AI image generator you prefer. I will use Leonardo AI. Copy and paste your prompt. Set the aspect ratio to landscape and hit generate. Once you have your image, head over to Canva to add the suggested text overlay. The goal is to make it incredibly intriguing and slightly unsettling. making viewers desperately want to know what happens next. This is your jump scare for views. If you love the thumbnail prompt I crafted for this niche, let me know what you think in the comment section. So what if CapCut isn't available in your country? No problem. 3 alternatives for you. You can either use a VPN to access CapCut Web from anywhere in the world, or use alternative editors like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. You can also hire someone from Fiverr or Discord familiar with CapCut. Remember, it's not the tool, it's the system. Upload consistently. Mix story types. Reply to comments. Watch your analytics, especially your audience retention graph. If people drop off after story 1, change your story structure. Let the data tell you what's working. The horror stories niche is high retention, evergreen, easy to produce, and 100% automatable niche you can start today. By leveraging CapCut's AI video maker, ChatGPT prompts, and my full workflow, you can create professional, viral horror content in hours, not days. All right, that's it. If you find this video valuable, do this to show me some love, smash that like button so the YouTube gods bless us with more reach. Subscribe to Money Mastery Hub for more faceless channel gold mines. And I think you need to see this next video where I use CapCut AI Video Maker to replicate a channel that makes over $6,000 per month. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Money Masterminds.